Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Salman Ramadan Syah Putra, and my partner.
And I am Dava Putra Setiatama.
And I'm Muhammad Ghazali Nur Alamsyah.
We are from Group 6, and now we will do a presentation about Gul Lagoon Swimming Pool Ticket Reservation Excel Modifier.
The first is system analysis. In this project, the authors will discuss pertaining to the Gul Lagoon Swimming Pool Ticket Reservation with using Microsoft Excel. Also, this project will be a company POV. Gul Lagoon was a very spacious swimming pool with having two different ticket distribution, children and adults. Children ticket are sold for 60,000 rupiah and for adult ticket are sold for 80,000 rupiah. In this Excel project, the authors made 5 different tables that name employee data table, customer data table, payment method table, product table, and transaction table. And also the final product the authors made in this project is transaction bill. Next, Excel table design, number of table of 5. Table names, first employee data, second customer data, product, payment method, and transaction. Pivot table, first number of people from address, and number of people from address again, number of people from category, ticket sold, locker sold, payment analysis, and bill.
This is employee data table, and the pivot is beside them. An employee data table has 9 columns, namely employee ID, employee name, phone number, email, date of birth, age, address, gender, and division. Also, in this employee data table, in this employee data, the authors made one pivot that used to analyze employees based on their address and the donut chart of it. In this table, the authors used several Excel formulas. In the main table, the authors use integer today formula that used to calculate employee age automatically based on the employee data table, the employee date of birth by dividing the distance from the date of birth to today by 360. And in the pivot, the authors use COUNTIF formula that used to count if there is any data in employee address row that name same as the data input in pivot.
And this is customer data table. And this is a pivot table from customer data. And the next, customer data formula, customer data table and pivot description. The customer data table has 8 columns, namely customer ID, customer name, phone number, email, date of birth, age, address, and gender. Also, in this customer data, the authors made two pivot that used to analyze customer based on their address and our category. Also, the donut chart of it. In this table, the authors use several Excel formula. For the table customer formula this formula are used to calculate customer age automatically based on the customer date of birth by dividing the distance from the date of birth to today by 360. Pivot table for customer data. Formula COUNTIF, this formula are used to count if there is any data in employee address, row date name, same as the data input in pivot. The next formula COUNTIF, this formula are used to count if there is any data in customer age, row that 13 years old and under to shown as children. Next COUNTIF formula, this formula are used to count if there is any data in customer age, row that over 13 years old to shown as adult.
Next is product. The product has 2 tables. First table has 3 columns, namely ticket ID, ticket category, and ticket price. The second table has 2 shown columns and 1 hidden column as a trigger in a transaction, namely locker, locker price, and column number.
And the next is payment method. The payment method table has 2 columns, namely payment ID and category payment.
This is a transaction main table of transaction data. This is a pivot of transaction data, and is this bill of transaction data. Transaction formula, transaction table, and pivot description is the transaction table has vertical column, namely transaction ID, customer ID, employee ID, ticket ID, quantity ticket, total ticket price, locker, quantity locker, total locker price, date, total price, payment ID, total payment, total change. Also, in the customer data, authors made 4 pivots that used to analyze the ticket sold, locker sold, and payment. Also, the donut chart of it. In this table, the authors use several Excel formula. In the table, use sum EF for ticket ID and quantity ticket ID. This formula used to calculate total price ticket by multiply the price of ticket category, choice, and the ticket quantity. And next is sum EF is used to locker P and quantity locker. These formula are used to calculate total locker price by multiply the price of locker and the locker quantity. Next, in sum, use total ticket price and total locker price. These formula are used to calculate total price that has bought by customer by multiply price of locker and price of tickets. Next, in sum, use total payment and total price. These formula are used to calculate total change by subtraction of table total payment to total price. And next is pivot, sum EF, ticket ID trans T to quantity trans. These formula are used to find that's total ticket product bought by sum the quantity ticket if there is any data in ticket ID. Row the name same as the data input in hidden row and drop it in the pivot. Okay, next. Next is count EF locker trans T5. These formula are used to find the total locker product bought by count the quantity locker if as any data locker columns that name same as the data input in hidden row and drop in the pivot. Next is count EF by trans T42. These formula are used to count EF. There are not any coordinates same as data input in hidden column. Next is sum T48, T49, T15, T51. These formula are used to sum the data has already count in hidden column. Next is drop down. In the pivot field, the author used drop down list to make automation in calling data transaction ID from transaction table. Use EF, C20, code trans index, C use ID transmatch, $C $20 trans ID. This formula are used to take data customer ID from the transaction table. Okay, next. Next is EF, C20, code trans index, ticket ID transmatch, C20 trans ID 0. This formula are used to take data ticket ID from transaction table. Next is EF, C20, code trans index, pay trans match, C20 trans ID 0. This formula are used to take data payment ID from transaction table. Next is EF, C20, code trans index, folded trans match, C20 trans ID 0. This formula are used to take data from transaction table. Next is EF, C20, code trans index, quantity trans match, trans ID 0. This formula are used to take data quantity ticket from transaction table. And next is if C20 code trans index quantity locker match C20 trans ID 0. This formula are used to take data quantity locker from transaction table. Next is if C20 code trans index total ticket match C20 trans ID. This formula are used to take data total ticket price from transaction table. Okay, next. Last is EF C20 code trans index price locker match C20 trans ID. If this formula are used to take data total locker price from transaction table. And next, if C20 code trans index total price match C20 trans ID, this formula are used to take data total price from transaction table. Next is EF C20 code trans index total pay match C20 trans ID 0. This formula are used to take data total payment from transaction table. And last but not least, if C20 code trans index total change match C20 trans ID 0. This formula are used to take data total change from transaction table. Next is VLOOKUP G5 customer table to false. This formula are used to turn the code name from hide column into a customer name and display in bill. Next is VLOOKUP G6 ticket table to false. These formula are used to turn code name from a hidden column in a ticket category and display in a bill. And next we look at G7 payment table to false. This formula are used to turn code name from hidden column into a ticket category and display in bill. Thank you. This from my group 6. Thank you for your listening and see you around. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.